Welcome back everyone. In today's session we are going to see probability 15.1 exercise question number 1, 2 and 4. So these are the three questions from your textbook which we are going to see now. Let's go to the first question. This is the first question of the exercise in which it's given: in a cricket match a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she plays. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. So out of 30 balls, total number of balls she played is 30. Okay, and how many times did she hit the boundary? 6 times. So how many times she did not hit the boundary? That will be 30 minus 6, it will be 24 times. Okay, so 24 times she did not hit the boundary. So what is the probability that she did not hit a boundary? Will be number of balls when she does not hit the boundary by total number of balls played. Okay, you can also write number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So we have to find the probability that she did not hit the boundary. So we'll write like this: probability of she did not hit the boundary. And how many times she did not hit the boundary? 24 times. For 24 balls she did not hit the boundary, so our probability will be 24 by 30, that will be 4 by 5. Okay, so this is the chance of her of not hitting a boundary. Okay, this type of examples can be used in our schools also. Like if a students like we predict there will be some students in our class who always get a first rank, who always top the exam. Okay, if a student who out of 10 exams, suppose one example I'll give you, out of 10 exams a student A, another B, two students are there. Out of this 10 exams, student A stood first for 9 times and student B stood first only 1 time. So next time, 11th time, whose chances are more for standing first? Okay, our prediction, our probability will be like this. We guess. Okay, our probability goes with A. The chances of getting first rank with A is more, it will be 9 by 10, and chances of getting first rank for B is only 1 by 10. Okay, it's 90% and this is only 10%. So like this we use this concept in our day-to-day life also. Let's have a look at the next question. 1500 families with 2 children were selected. How many families? 1500 families, and each family has 2 kids. So their data is collected, and according to number of girls in a family, the families are classified, divided or categorized. So 1500 families were sitting together and each family has 2 kids. 2 kids means both can be girls. Okay, it can be girl, it can be a girl, boy, or it can be a boy also. Yeah, this is the meaning of 2 kids. So 2 girls, how many families have got 2 girls? 475. And 1 girl, that means 1 boy. So 814 families has 1 girl. And 0 girls means both are boys. Understood? If both are boys, we say 0 girl. So 0 girl, 211 families has 0 girl. 0 girls means both are boys in that family. 1 girl means 1 is boy, and 2 girls means 0 boys. There are no boys in that. So this way the data is collected. Now from these families, if you select any one family randomly, what is the probability that the family has 2 girls? So probability of here the total number of outcomes are 1500, you can see by adding, or it's already given in the question. And number of families has 2 girls. How many families has 2 girls? 475. So probability of randomly chosen a family has 2 girls is 475 by 1500. Very simple. If you divide, you will get 19 by 60. Similarly, you can find probability of family having 1 girl also. It will be how much? 814 by 1500. Then probability of family having 0 girls. How many families has 0 girls? It's 211. So 2, you can write 211 by 1500. Very simple. Whole data is given here. You have to write favorable by total. Okay, and you'll get your answer like this. Now what is the probability of that the family, one extra question I'm asking you, what is the probability that the family has 1 boy? So which one you will take from these 3? If I ask you a question, because like this question comes in your exam, what is the probability that the family has 1 boy? The selected family has 1 boy. So 1 boy means 2 girls means 0 boys. Okay, 0 boys. 1 girl means 1 boy, and 0 girls means 2 boys. Keep this in mind. Okay, so this will be for 1 boy, it will be 814 by 1500. Okay, like this we can find for boys also if girls are given. Next, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times. This type of example I explained you before. So when you toss 3 coins 200 times, okay, these are the outcomes. So we got 3 heads 23 times, 2 heads 72 times, 1 head 77 times, and so on. So compute the probability of getting 2 heads. We have to find what is the probability of getting 2 heads. So how many times we got 2 heads? 72 times. So our answer will be 72 by 200. Okay, you can see here 72 is our favorable outcome and 200 is total number of outcomes. Dividing it, we'll get 9 by 25. Okay, so these are the simple problems which you can do.